Are you searching for a perfect family-friendly vacation that won't break the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today we're going to give you an inside look at one of the newest resorts in Cancun that opened in December of 2023, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. From the accommodations to the beach, we're covering everything that you need to know. Here's what we'll explore in this video. Number 1, accommodations. Number 2, food and drinks. Number 3, service. Number 4, resort facilities. And 5, the beach. Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun is a modern, all-inclusive luxury resort that promises the perfect family getaway in the heart of Cancun. Whether you're traveling with young children, teens, or a couple looking for some fun, this resort has something for everyone. Located in Puerto Morales, it's only 20 minutes from Cancun International Airport, making it a quick escape into paradise. At the Royalton Splash, luxury meets comfort. With over 1,000 rooms and suites, this resort offers modern accommodations designed for families of all sizes. Each room is equipped with an exclusive dream bed for a restful night's sleep, a rain shower, free high-speed Wi-Fi, an in-room electronic safe, and a balcony or terrace for enjoying the beautiful surroundings. Some suites even feature an in-suite jacuzzi soaker tub for extra relaxation. If you love trying new food, you'll be thrilled with the dining options here. The Royalton Splash offers 12 restaurants, including 10 a la carte options, 1 international buffet, and a lively sports bar. From French cuisine at Mason to Brazilian flavors at Rio, there's something for everyone. The variety is perfect for families with picky eaters, and the quality is top-notch. Service is always a big factor when choosing a resort, and Royalton Splash did not disappoint. We were assigned a butler who took care of all our needs throughout the trip. Even when the weather didn't cooperate at first, the staff kept everyone entertained and happy with indoor activities and amazing service. From the restaurant staff to housekeeping, everyone was welcoming and went above and beyond to make sure we had an unforgettable experience. This resort shines when it comes to keeping everyone entertained. One of the highlights for families is the on-site water park, one of the largest in the Caribbean. It has 14 monster slides, splash pads, a lazy river, and crystal clear pools for endless fun. There's also a modern kids club for ages 4 to 12 and a teens area for ages 13 to 17, ensuring that everyone in the family has something exciting to do. Plus, daily activities, non-motorized water sports, and a great nightly entertainment mean there's never a dull moment. If you're up for some indoor fun, the resort also offers Game Up, an entertainment center with laser tag, bowling, and an arcade, perfect for those occasional rainy days. But this is not included in the all-inclusive. What's a Cancun vacation without some beach time? The beach at Royalton Splash is beautiful, with soft sand and clear water, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. And the best part, it's right there, so you can easily switch between pool, fun, and relaxing on the beach. So before making a decision on your next family vacation, it's important to have all the information. Vacations are not just an investment in money, but also in time. Time with your family that you want to be perfect. That's where we come in. With over 30 years of travel experience, we only recommend the best resorts we've personally experienced and know will deliver quality service. The best part, our service is free. Click the link below for a free quote or to schedule a call with us. We'd love to help you plan your next unforgettable getaway. And don't forget to check out our next video on another family-friendly vacation at Generations Riviera Maya.